I'm Phil, I review software, and after the moderate success of my AppSumo deals available in August and September 2022, I'm back with another one. Products I am in love with on AppSumo that are available now. These are products that are still available. One of them's only got 3 days to go, so if you miss it, sorry. But check this out. Here are 4 products that I love that you can get on AppSumo now for a lifetime deal price. We are jumping straight in without any editing. And the first one, straight away, I saw this. I thought, I've got to have it because it's going to change my life. I've not added as much stuff into it just yet. It is Subly. It's not the app Subly, which is a teleprompter. It's Subly, the subscription management tool. It's so blooming good. You add all your subs like Canva, like Google, like ManyCam, the stuff you pay for every year, every month. Where it's really clever is, say you pay for one in dollars, it will convert it into pounds because that's your master currency. You can add them all in. You can set up different projects, one for personal, one for business, and keep track of all your subscriptions. You could even use it for your business, for all the business tools that you spend on a monthly basis to work out where you're going. It also works out the annual figure, and we'll divide that into the monthly figure, and it will send you an email reminder, and you can set when you want it to remind you, a day, 2 days before, or turn it off. That's Subly. There it is on AppSumo. It is in my link. Click the magic link. As I say, even when these deals are over, all of my magic links, I'll update them. So if it's not available any longer on AppSumo, sorry AppSumo, I'll let you find it somewhere else. There is Subly. For that price, $19, you need it in your lives. And the next one is WordHero. There are so many artificial intelligent word generators out there, and it is the way that you need to go if you want to keep on creating content and banging it out, because everyone else is doing it. So loads of them are a monthly fee and a monthly subscription. WordHero is really, really good. You can buy one code and have short form, or stack it with 2 codes, or buy 2 codes, and you can have the long form generator, and you can just about generate anything on it. Click it in. They always say with these word generators that you need to put a bit of effort in. You've got to put 20% of it in, you know, a brief background, and then go through and check. But they will save you a lot of time. WordHero, I own it. I use it. It's my favorite, and it is still available on AppSumo. $89 for the short form, and then double it up if you want the long form. Get it now. Now we jump to Shopper, which I haven't spent a lot of time on. I'll be dead honest. I'm actually talking with Shopper. They're going to help me out, fingers crossed, just because I've got a couple of unique ideas. But Shopper's fantastic because already there's loads of built-in affiliates that you can add to your Shopper page. You can modify it, you can change it, and you can add all of your different affiliate links onto there, all products you have reviewed. It's really good. You've only got 3 days on the lifetime deal on this. How much is it at the moment? One tier plan, $79. Listen, have a read up on it, see what it does. Look at all the affiliates and the stuff you can promote with it. And I would say, give it a whiz. Go for it. And the last one I'm going to show you is actually a piece of software. Don't worry, I'll do more of these videos. And there it is. It's called VidJuice, UniTube. And it is really good. You can download, let's have a look. You can download from all of these different sites. YouTube, Vimeo, I'll go through them all, but there you are. TikTok, blah, 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 blah. I'm pretty sure TikTok, you can download them watermark free. You can download them, and there they are downloaded. Simply go to YouTube, search within VidJuice for the video you want to see, and it's got a button, and it says download. You can download in all different formats. It is a really cool It is a really cool little app for downloading videos, and if we go onto the webpage, there it is. It's an amazing price. Sorry for the funny voice. $19.99. For that price, I would suggest it's a no-brainer. Do your research on all of these products before you buy them, and don't come back to me later and say, you said it was good. Read other people's reviews as well. All of the links are in description. As I say, it's my site. It's called clickmy.deal. Clickmy.deals rather. And then you'll see the link, clickmy.deals, with the subject. Click on that link. It will take you to our amazing deals on AppSumo. But by the way, even if you're not interested in these softwares, click on the link anyway and look at the prices of them. You might be shocked at some of the ones I show. But when those deal ends, come back to my site, come back to my page, or very soon, bookmark my website. It's not quite ready yet. And you will be able to always get the price, the best price, because I will always update them. I'm Phil. I'm going to jump out now and say something at the end on full screen. I'm not sure what yet. Yeah, there's my run through of the AppSumo products. I've got to finish this in less than 5 minutes. I've got 20 seconds to go. So, really helps if you subscribe to my channel. Hope you're enjoying what I'm doing. No fluff, just good reviews from somebody who's not an expert, but he's learning about software, so that you don't think when you see the videos. I'm not going to tell you exactly how everything works. I'm going to tell you if it's easy for you to get started and if it's worth you investing your money and your learning curve. And I've just got over 5 minutes, which is a bit annoying, and that's why I stumbled a bit at the end. But thanks for subscribing. I hope you like these videos. I will see you with more AppSumo run-throughs and more software reviews really soon. I love doing these.